So hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. This is Rahul Prajapati and thanks for joining into pre-market analysis. So first of all, let's see what is happening in SGX. So there is a gap down of approximately 1%, right? So you can see that 200 points gap down we are seeing in SGX as of now. So market is trading around 17,400. So logically, जैसा हमने कल भी बात किया था, if we see that market was going up, so that was mostly a short covering move. So market was not likely to sustain above, on higher side specifically. So with that, we have seen a gap down today. So probably a downside move. Now see how market is likely to behave. So, so logically, we have seen a gap up opening, likely to see a gap down opening today. So yesterday and from last 3 days, we are seeing market is going up. So we have that resistance of around 17,800. And if we see the, OI data, we'll see again. So if you see the OI data, it's still like, not giving that much, confidence for market to go up specifically, right? So if you see after the budget, market is only consolidating. So there is no specific move we can see on the upside or downside. So let's talk about the Bank Nifty also. So same thing. So Bank Nifty is actually moving upside within the, this channel. So probably a gap down. So let's see how this is going to behave today. साथ में we'll see the open interest as of now. सबसे पहले open interest देखते हैं. सबसे पहले Nifty. So again a short covering move. So और जो शॉर्ट हमारी मार्केट में क्रिएट हुआ था वो कवर हुआ है अभी यहाँ पर एंड देन वी हैव सीन अगेन प्रॉब्ली गैप डाउन. सो नीड टू सी हाउ मार्केट इज बिहेव आफ्टर दैट. सो अभी तक मार्केट में कोई बाइंग स्पेसिफिक क्रिएट नहीं हो रहा है. एंड इफ यू सी द ओआई लेवल्स हैज बीन ड्रॉप्ड अ लॉट since last month and last to last month, since December and January, we have seen that OI levels are dropping actually. So probably that shows the less of participation in the market as of now. Now talk about Bank Nifty. So yesterday we had a long built up a bit. So market is taking resistance around 39,000 as of now. Let's go to the open interest from option chain. So for 17th expiry, so you can see a lot of concentration at 17,600 specifically. So there were a lot of addition yesterday. So out of 24 lakhs, 19 lakhs added yesterday only. So that was a huge resistance came at this point, huge addition. So market took the resistance of 17,600. On technical charts, we have a resistance of 17,800. So this whole area is basically, supply zone, so selling zone, right? If you see on the downside, we can say 17,400 is a support where market is likely to be open. Probably we have a time as of now. So opening could be a different, but if we see 17,400 is giving you a support, a good support as of now. If market break this level, we can see further fall. And after that, we can see only the resistance is 17,600. So market has to go above only this level to further on the show the upside move, right? So this could be the range as of now, very short range, but we'll see how the further market develops, right? We see on the Bank Nifty, so a lot of concentration on 39,000 only, और 40,000 पे आप देख सकते हैं सबसे ज़्यादा call writing हुआ है. So that is probably the vital resistance as of now. On the downside, 38,500 and 38,000. So this 1,000 point range is good as of now. Seems to be okay, right? Okay. Now let's go to the gainer and losers. Okay, so Jindal Steel, Oro Pharma, and GNFC, these are the three stocks which are top gainers yesterday. Downside, Page Industries, Bharat Forge, and PNB are the top losers. Index contribution में देखें specifically, तो yesterday we had again a positive move. So mostly all are positive except infra and fertilizers, the two stocks. Rest all are positive, contributing positively on the Nifty. So sector में अगर हम देखें तो power, metal and NBFCs are showing a bit of long build up. Auto ancillaries, fertilizers and infra are showing a short buildup. Okay, now come to these stocks. So first stock is CUB. So you can see the stock is actually consolidating in a range of like 150 to 135 specifically. So it's trading at a lower level as of now. So it took a support around 135 and it came back again. So the two, three reversal candles looking at this point of time. So if that breaks the yesterday's high, so probably that is 142, I think, right? So 142 or like 141.5, even though that level also. So we can go and create a long position in that. Expected target could be 147, 150, right? Not more than that. On the downside, we can go and put a stop loss of 135. Okay, so probably 1:1 ratio would be maintaining in this case. Because the stock is consolidating, and if we see the OI data, we'll have some good, reading in this case. So I'll show you that. The second stock is Divi's Lab. So again, this stock shows when we had a fall earlier and then stock went up. So this was again more of a short covering move. Yesterday showing like a very small candle, so it's resting bar, you can say. So and 4400 market is facing a resistance at that level, right? So probably if that market breaks again 4300, so we can see market come again down. So we'll be creating again a short position in this. So Divi's Lab still a weak stock. Okay, so with a stop loss of 4400, we can go and sell the stock, right? Now let's check the OI for both the stocks. So if you see the CUB is actually, taking support at this level around 137, 135. Now that was good long earlier. And then when market came down, the stock came down. So that was a bit of unwinding. Even when market was falling, less of short specifically, it's unwinding. And the stock is taking again a support at these levels. And there are two long buildups and without any major moves. So that means buying positions are there specifically. So if market is holding these levels, we can expect that stock can move to 145 or probably like 150, right? 150 very easily, right? So that is a thing. Now check the Divi's Lab. So see, that's short covering specifically. We had one short earlier and then stock went up. So from here, we can again see a short coming up. So yesterday we have a short. So the stock breaks 4300. That's we are going again short in this stock. Okay. Let's go to the. So 4300 level is a support, right? 44 and 45 is the resistance as of now. So we'll go and create short position only below 43, right? And in CUB. So the stock is trading above 140. So that was a resistance slowly. So we can again go and create the position on the breach of the yesterday's high. But on the levels, we can see 145 is just showing a less of addition. And 150 has the highest call addition. So at least we can anticipate this level. 140 would be after that, stock moves up. That would be good support. But 135 is from technical perspective, it is also nice. Okay. Let's come to the ban list. So another stock addition, that is Steel Authority. PNB and BHL are the only, the two stocks which were earlier in the ban list. The new addition is Steel Authority. Okay. Now, so good support for Nifty is right now at 17,400, 17,600 and 18,000 are the resistance level. 38,000 for Bank Nifty, 39,000 and 39,500 for Bank Nifty on the higher side. So these are the resistance and support. A long built up power, metal and NBFC, short built up auto ancillaries, fertilizers and infra. Now CUB is actually showing a resistance in 145 to 150. So we're creating the position at the breach of the yesterday's high. So we can anticipate 147 and 150 level very easily in this stock. Divi's Lab, we are again going short in this stock because structure still looks weak. So for below 43, we are going short. 4300, we are going short. 4400 is the resistance, right? Steel Authority is the stock which is added new in the ban list, right? So that's all from my side, guys. I'll see you again on Monday. Thank you so much.